Alright, so I went ahead and put my two flatheads aside. And I happen to have purchased two sets of the Harbor Freight, like $4.99, $6.99, $7.99, something like that. Pretty cheap. This should do the trick. This was what did it last time. They're going between those two little holes. Do you see them? Well, there's one on this side. And there's one on this side. They're hidden. You find a little spring inside. I found it on this side. I found it on that side. So, yeah. As we said. And just to be safe, I'm going to double check that I did disconnect the battery. Disconnect your battery. Do not forget your key in there. Airbag go up. Kaboom! And now I'm just playing chill. Airbag go kaboom! So funny. Oh, right here, you can see the mechanism. I went way too far. But, alright. So once you put it in, you feel the spring, see? And then the same thing on this side. And it'd be easier if you do them at the same time. So it is a T10, as you can see. The last one, well, besides that one. We're gonna put the bad boy back in just so we don't lose it, you know? You don't have to be on the safe side, right? Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Should be as simple as that. There we go. As you can see, I'm making sure my steering wheel is 100% straight right before I move it. You feel me? That in the middle. And just like that, it came off. Our steering wheel is now. Let's get it. And we'll be back once I get my other steering wheel, guys. See you then.
Extra late start today.
Well, nah, you good, man. I'm not even tripping.
Oh, you hit my...
There we go. One more. I think that's all the way to 2. There you go. Yeah, you guys being scared of it. There you go. Simple as that. Crazy, Chad. That's crazy work. There goes 1 and 2. Now it should be as easy as popping that bad boy back in. And now we can remove all this stuff. White stripe for the win. White stitching for the win. Oh, let's get it. And last but not least. Yes, sir. Hey.